video supposedly showing a talking dog was the most popular on YouTube in Ireland this year. 3 Irish-made videos were in the top 5 here.
You know that bacon that's like maple? It's got maple flavor.
The maple kind, yeah.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
I took
This was the most watched video on YouTube in Ireland in the past year.
so I ate it.
Oh, no.
So far, almost 75.5 million people have watched Ultimate Dog Tease worldwide. And while it seems we can't get enough of talking dogs, 3 of the top 5 most popular videos here were produced in Ireland. Damo and Ivor Hangovers from RTE's Republic of Telly was second most viewed, with Dead Cat Bounce Rugby, also from the show, in at 5th.
It's great. The first time we obviously had a huge viral hit was with Horse Outside a little over a year ago, and to see that this keep happening is just fantastic. So I guess we're doing something okay.
Third most watched was the Rubberbandits' I Wanna Fight Your Father, Os Gaeilge.
That's what YouTube is great for. It's, 5 minutes or less of something silly, funny that people view and then want to share immediately with all their friends and their family.
Globally, the big hit was one many love to hate. 14-year-old Rebecca Black's Friday had more than 180 million views. More than 250 million hours of footage was uploaded onto YouTube last year. So with 48 hours put up every minute, there'll be lots more to watch in the new year, including more video features like this. The talking twin babies, which also ended up in this year's top 5. Helen Donoghue, RTE News.